The most important days in your life of the day you are born and the day you find out why. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. The truth must be served like a coat and not thrown the face like a wet towel. Let us live so that when we come to die, even the undertaker will be sorry. Everyone is a moon and has a dark side which he never shows to anybody. Only two things we'll regret on deathbed: that we are a little loved at and little traveled. Man will do many things to get himself loved. He will do all things to get himself invited. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear.